Welcome to Easy Max Tamil. Question number 2, exercise 13.1, NCERT class 10. Daily wages is given. The number of workers is taken as frequency. We need to add the values of frequency, and class marks is xi, upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, 110, upper limit is 140 plus lower limit is 120 divided by 2, upper limit is 160, lower limit is 140 divided by 2, 150. The middle value is taken as assumed mean. So A is 150. Totally 5 values are given. Middle value A எடுத்துக்கலாம் because the frequency is centered at its midpoint. So midpoint is taken as assumed mean. So A is the midpoint, it is taken as 150. So 160 plus 180 divided by 2, 170. Next 200 plus 180 divided by 2 is 190. 380 divided by 2 is 190. Let's calculate DI value. DI value is the, before that add the values of frequency. 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 is 50. So sigma Fi is 50. DI is the deviation of A from xi, deviation of assumed mean from the class marks. 110 minus 150 is minus 40. A is the assumed mean, its value is 150. 130 minus A, 150 minus 20. Xi value is 150 minus A value is 150, 0. Xi value is 170 minus A value is 150 divided, minus 150 is 20. Xi value is 190 minus A value is 150, its value is plus 40. Ui is equal to xi minus A by h. H is the class size. Upper limit minus lower limit. 120 minus 100 is 20. So h value is 20. H is the class size 20. Ui is equal to xi minus A by h class size. So minus 40 divided by 20 minus 2. DI value is minus 20 divided by h value is 20. DI value is 0, h value is 20. Any number 0 divided by any number is 0. So xi is 40. 40 by 20 is 2. Multiply the value of Fi and xi. Fi is 12, xi is 110. 12 into 110 is 1320. Fi is 14 into xi is 130. $1,820. Fi is 8, xi is 150. $1,200. Fi is 6, xi is 170, 1020, fi is 10, xi is 190, 1900. So sigma fi xi, add all the values of fi xi, 7260, calculate the values of fi into di. 12 into minus 40 is minus 480, fi is 14, di is minus 20, minus 280, fi is 8, di is 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, fi 6, di 20, 120, fi 10, di 40, 400. So add all the values of fi di. Sigma fi di is equal to, the minus values are minus 760, and add all the plus values. So minus 760 plus 520 is minus 240. So sigma fi di is minus 240. Fi value is 12, ui value is minus 2, minus 24, fi value is 14, ui value is minus 1, minus 14, fi is 8, ui is 0, 0, fi is 6, ui is 1, 6, fi is 10, ui is 2, 10 2s are 20. So sigma fi ui minus 38 plus 26 is minus 12, minus 38 plus 26 minus 12. Sigma fi ui is minus 12. Direct method, mean is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. 7260 divided by 50 is 145.20. Assumed mean method, the formula to calculate mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Mean is equal to a plus sigma fi di divided by sigma fi. Assumed mean a is 150 plus sigma fi di is minus 240 divided by sigma fi is 50. So 150 150 plus bracket minus 4.8, 150 plus into minus minus 4.8, 150 minus 4.8 is 145.20. As per the step deviation method, mean is a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h. A is the assumed mean, sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi into h class size. 150 plus fi ui is minus 12 divided by sigma fi is 50 into class size is 20. H value is 20. 0 0 cancel. 150 plus bracket minus 2.4 into 2, 150 plus into minus minus 4.8, 150 plus into minus minus 4.8, 145.20. So the mean value is 145.2. The mean value is